what's up, y'all? This is your girl Bright Eyes. I'm here with another tutorial. So if you watched my previous video, I show you how to import an image, a JPEG image into PE Design. So I'm gonna show you how to use the opacity tool and what else? And how to do a little bit editing, real simple. Okay, so right now I'm gonna go to image, right? And you see that button right there. You know, it has home, save, modify image, and this button right here. So what this button does, it's like you can see the image and it fades it. So it just make it easy to design or digitize on the page. So now that I like the way it looks right now. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna draw the heart and I'm gonna use this tool right here. Page, and I'm gonna go and click this tool, the select point. All right, because it doesn't look like the drawing. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click right here, click right, and I want it to curve. Right click and then you click curve. Click curve. Go Control Z. Okay, click. Curve. That's all I'm doing. I'm clicking right in the center and I'm just clicking curve. Just in the center of the square to make it look, more. It act up because I click off the page. So you make sure you click right inside the box so it doesn't act weird. Right click, curve. It doesn't look good like that, so I'm gonna pick Control C, undo. Okay, that looks better. And I think it looks okay the way it is, so I'm probably just gonna adjust it a little bit, you know. Try to fix it, by adjusting the knots and stuff. I'll put Control Z. Control Z. maybe I should just add another, see if I could add another, um, oh, I double click on it and I was able to add another nod because that's what I really wanted to do. Okay, so that looks so much better. Let's see what's going on here. Let's see if we could like fix this, you know. That looks better. You know. I mean, it's not perfect. It's kind of a little bit rough around the edges to use this tool, but I personally won't because it's a little stiff when you try to work with it. Control Z. I think this is the best results I could get. So, yeah, I mean, I'm not gonna do any more editing because it's kind of difficult to work with. Let me go to image, view, home. Okay, so now I'm gonna go back to the select tool, right? And let's see what they have for image, home, shapes, okay. And let's see what happens here. Oh, that looks nice. So, yeah, I'm pretty much done. I mean, you already know I showed you my previous videos. You know, these are pretty much your choices to work with. You know, the fill stitch, stipple stitch, you know, so motif. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. Pretty much done. I just show you how to edit it a little bit. If you bring an image, is I cannot see it with detailed image. This will be difficult to work with. But something simple like a heart, a circle, you know, just shapes, simple shapes to work with. You could definitely do some embroidery designs with this, you know, but nothing like overly detailed. No, I wouldn't recommend on some very detailed artwork, but something simple like a heart, it could work with. So that's pretty much it. So I'll see y'all later. Bye.